guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can sign out of your Fiverr account. So in order to do that, you should be in your home page right over here. And all you need to do is just go to your profile over here that has an active status too. Just tap on it. And at the lower bottom, you can see this option that says log out. Just tap on it. And there you go, guys. You successfully logged out of your Fiverr account. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.